Today, we're making a super healthy and filling breakfast, Power Breakfast Oats. Creamy, savory oats topped with grilled tofu and Brussels sprouts. It's a perfect protein-packed meal to start your day. Let's begin by grating some fresh garlic. This will give a rich, comforting flavor to our dish. Now, heat a pan and add some butter. Once the butter melts, add 1/2 cup of chopped onions and saute them on medium flame for about 1 minute until slightly soft. Next, add the grated garlic or garlic paste and saute for about 30 seconds to remove the raw smell. Then, add 1 cup of chopped spinach. It adds a lovely green color and a boost of nutrients. Saute for a few seconds until it softens. Now it's time for our hero ingredient, 1 cup of oats. Add them to the pan and dry roast for about a minute. As the oats roast, you'll notice a warm, nutty aroma. That's when you know it's going to turn extra creamy and flavorful. Next, pour in 3 cups of water, along with salt and black pepper powder to taste. Cover the pan and cook on medium flame, stirring occasionally so the oats cook evenly and don't stick to the bottom. While the oats are cooking, let's make a simple yet delicious sauce. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 1/2 tablespoon red chili flakes, and salt to taste. Mix it all together. This will be the perfect glaze for our tofu and Brussels sprouts. Now heat a grill pan. Pour in the sauce. And add 2 slices of tofu along with 1/2 bowl of Brussels sprouts. Saute everything until the tofu gets those beautiful golden grill marks and the Brussels sprouts turn soft and bright green. Once done, transfer them to a plate and set aside. Let's check our oats. They should be thick, creamy, and perfectly cooked now. Add cheese slices on top. Cover and let it melt completely. And there you go, our hot and savory oats are ready. Spoon the creamy oats into a bowl. Top it with the grilled tofu and Brussels sprouts. And here's the best part, this bowl isn't just delicious, it's super healthy. 2 slices of tofu give around 12 to 14 grams of protein. And finally garnish with crushed peanuts and a drizzle of chili oil. Brussels sprouts are full of fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. And oats provide complex carbs and soluble fiber that support digestion and heart health. Look at that, so vibrant, wholesome, and satisfying. Altogether, this bowl has about 350 to 400 calories. A perfectly balanced meal that keeps you full and energized for hours. So go ahead and try this Power Breakfast Oats. It's creamy, savory, and packed with everything your body needs to kickstart the day.